Welcome to day 5 of 90 in 90. Today's topic is denial. We hope that these topics are helpful to you as you work towards a life beyond your dreams. We will begin with a prayer. It doesn't matter who or what you pray to, it is the process of prayer that works. Prayer. Help us to be present in this moment and open to the wisdom of recovery. Grant us clarity to see ourselves honestly and the courage to grow from our experiences. May we receive your guidance as we seek healing and peace. Denial is a powerful force that has kept me from seeing the reality and results of my mindset and actions. I convinced myself that I had control, that I didn't need help, or that my situation wasn't as bad as it seemed, or at least not as bad as others. In reality, denial holds me back from the life I truly want. It keeps me from admitting the harm I've caused to myself and others. The good news is, as soon as I become aware of my denial, through honest self-assessment and the feedback of my support group, I can take the first steps toward this freedom that I have little familiarity with so far. Acknowledging and admitting the truth is scary, but it is freeing and necessary. By breaking through my denial, I open myself up to the possibility of change, of healing, and of living a life free from those activities and behaviors that destroy my life. Easy to say the words, perhaps, after all, knowledge is power, right? Not really. Knowledge is the potential of power. To see relief, I must act on this knowledge, and in more cases than not, I must not act on these thoughts, desires, and compulsions. The courage to change my playgrounds, playmates, and playthings is crucial. It is hard to let go of all that I have known, those tools and crutches I used to survive, but the faith I need to grow is that there is another way to cope, a new way to live. I can find myself at a crossroads, one of total desperation and no other plan. Through meditation and prayer, I can calm my mind. Through acting my way into right thinking, I can minimize the destructive behavior in my life. This is my responsibility, but I don't have to do it alone. I have found that finding a support group of people who believe in me and want to help me in my process is key. A group of people who won't co-sign my disease. There's hope beyond denial, and with courage, a higher power's love, and a support group of peers, I can find balance in embracing a new way of living. Join us tomorrow for another topic as we continue this journey towards a more complete life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on YouTube and all other social media platforms.